I've just got back from the auto shop. I've got the dash bulbs I need to change out my Pajero's dash lights. So today, what I'm going to run through is how you can easily remove the dash instrument cover, how to change your own globes, and go from this to this. I'll talk about some of the problems I came across and how I easily resolved those. So what you'll need to get this job moving is, well, obviously bulbs. Now I'll put this in the description and in the chat as well. I also used a needle nose plier and one Phillips head screwdriver. So pretty easy. So step one, lower the steering wheel with a level underneath the column. Step two, with your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws in the top cover of the cluster. Step 3, now with care, pry the bottom parts away first, the black cover, and then the top part. Now swivel it out and be careful not to break it. Then remove the following 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And pull the cluster straight out and swivel the bottom part of it. And then here's behind the dash plate. So when we flip it over, the door open lights are now on this side, and the forward drive lights is this one, and this one. This one here is the center rear diff lock light. These lights here are all the backlighting. Okay, now to take them out. Just twist. Yeah, and you can see this one here. It's definitely the blown one. I'll compare it just to show the difference. The new ones. And they fit. So, let's go and put that back in the car. You gotta flip it back up in there, line up where the screws would go. Bingo. And the lights should come on. So what do you do if your globes don't work first time? Yeah, so something on these ones that's to watch out for. I had to lift these little pins up because they weren't quite contacting where they needed to. So I just got in there and just lifted them up like that. So So that should give good contact where they've got to contact and get power. Yeah, that looks really good. So remember to put the screws back in before you finish. Slip it back in. Thanks for watching. Check out some more of my other videos here.